the technical, right? Yes, Anish, Amar?
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, I will consider you don't have more background in the technical, right?
Yes,
No,
sir.
I don't have.
Yeah.
I don't have
Okay.
anything in the technical.
So there are more confusions with people about this, how we will take care, even if we don't know ABCD of technical, how we will take
Yeah,
care this all
this is my
things, all
question.
technologies, right?
Yeah.
So the agentic AI and artificial intelligence or machine learning or even deep learning, these things
Mm.
not required for all things you need to know. Like some people say it is compulsory, you should need to know Python. You heard of it, right? So
Mm-hmm.
this is there are three ways to handle it. There are three ways to handle this technology stacks. With the code, this is one, okay, which we always heard over the news or social media or with friends and all. And with another one, we have low code, which is basically completely without just block programming. We have block concept we have here, and the third one no code we have. So three different ways we have. So you just need to design it and you will get the output here directly of artificial intelligence, generative AI designing, machine learning and all. So that's possible not only if you're non-technical background, you're coming from the non-technical background, and or you don't want to learn Python and you want to achieve something good in the artificial intelligence, machine learning and generative AI and agentic AI. So you can go it with the help of low code or no code concept, which allow you to do these things. The things what happen here basically, this will not require any programming knowledge. Before it was important to have the knowledge in the programming, especially when you are working on the data science. So there are multiple position, not only one position. We have position called data AI engineer. So if you're talking about data scientist, in that also itself, there are multiple types of opportunities we have. If they are asking Python, no problem, but there is a way to get the things without Python. No code also is possible here, or low code is also possible here. So in that, you don't need to write anything, just drag drop and you will get the output. That's possible. Second thing, why we should need to invest our time, career, money, and everything on the artificial intelligence, I'll share with you. Because this time the world is prepared with all kind of experience, all kind of playground limits, means unlimited power, and the world is ready for automations. These three things required to the world to adapt the artificial intelligence. So why we should need to invest time in the, especially the world of IT in AI right now? Because AI was introduced in 1950. Artificial intelligence was introduced in 1950, which was very old. But nowadays they have a lot of experience. I'll share with you what in by experience. Experience means the data. Before we don't have that much of data. Nowadays everybody has a lot of data. Especially I'll tell you, if you are an employee of your organization, before we have to write all things into register, right? Then we move to register to website, where we'll move website, attendance, consider attendance sheet, then it will move to fingerprint. Now it is moving to CCTV camera. So this is basically your data, and that data explains what is your predictions, what about you. It will be explained by experience only, and this kind of experience, this kind of data will be handled using playground, means unlimited power, means using cloud. So without cloud, AI is not possible to achieve it. The AI what we are learning is not a basic AI. We are learning for organization, for the company. So for the company, they need unlimited power, especially that's called a cloud environment. Getting a point? So it's called a cloud environment. And here we have an automations. Under the automations, we have something called automation through script or some workflow we can design it. So that's possible. So AI require three pillars. One is the experience, one other is the playground, another is the automation. If you have these things, these three things, then you can achieve the AI. Now why I want to share with you these things, because the world is already getting more lot of data. How many times I open what softwares, I can catch it with the help of my history. Even how many times I open Instagram, I can catch it with the help of activities. And how many times where I went, I can get it with the help of Google activity. So these people, they are trying to collect the data. Why they are collecting data? To feed this data to artificial intelligence. And once they prepared it, then they can able to predict it properly. And based on that, they can give the advertisement, they can give the product recommendations, everything comes from there. And this require three things: experience, a playground, and automations. If we done with this all things, then only we can able to achieve the AI. Now under the AI, there are always one phase we have. Always we have one phase. Whenever the door of IT is open, if you are non-technical, I'll tell you, there is one door. One time comes in the IT, information technology field, where the door will open for everybody. So you and others and me and everyone will get the same race, same positions. And there you can achieve easily, because we need to start from the scratch. So the IT has one another door open called AI, and there anybody can join it, because this is only needed the way how you are handling. This is like a horse which is completely wild horse, which is not able to handle by organizations. So that's why people, they are trying to control this horse, power of AI, using some people, smart people, softwares like prompt engineerings and all things we have. If you check over the internet, there are a lot of opportunity in prompt engineering. There are a lot of opportunity in agentic AI. You can achieve a lot of things in the agentic AI, LLMs. These are the things which is nowadays required. So there are two things we need to understand. One is basically uh, theoretical one, theoretical theory we have, which is not that much powerful, because it is good for research. If you are doing research, for that it is required. It requires mathematics, it requires statistics, it requires a lot of things, which is not good for us. But this one, what we are learning here, data science, AI, machine learning and all, it require only curiosity. So you can able to achieve it. Like example, teachable machine we have. Just giving you example, simple example. So under this, you can see, if you try to train them, see, this is me, this is dog, this is not metal, this is metal. So it will start capturing and it is trying to learn it. This is one example I given to you. Here they are trying to capture it, and they can able to do whatever we say. So you can see here, with the help of this, what you can do it, you can give the some data and it will start working on it. So class, whether it is dog or cat, whatever we have, we'll train it, we'll define it, and it will give you the result. So for this, you're not required any programming language. Are you getting a point? You're not required any programming language. You can achieve it without any problem. Why? Because here you just need to open the projects and you need to train it. Suppose this is the project, you can train them and you can give the results accordingly. So this is possible. Suppose here I have multiple projects. Okay, so I can select it and I can give here. So it will automatically detect the things like she did here. She tried to show who is me, who is my machine. So sorter or this kind of things, it not required, only just it require in app, so which will works directly without any problems. What happened here, it will automatically detects this is tree, this is clap, this is snap. So all things sorter will automatically works. So this is possible only because of one thing here. What, this is only software low code we have, through that we can able to achieve it. Are you getting a point? So AI is very very important and it will works everywhere. We are learning AI with more practical oriented. Like example, I'll show you here. If you go over the internet, people they are trying to achieve lot of things with the AI. Like example, N8N we have N8N. We can design automations with the help of this N8N. So nowadays, before people they are paying money for this. Now what we have, if I'll show you N8N workflow, we are teaching this also these things to you, but I'll just show you the power of it. So in one click, it will automatically check the all emails. It will read this, understand it, and it will forward to you the respond according to that. So that's possible, see here. And it will generate the data also, which is not possible by human. Human will not work beyond 8 hours, but machine will works continuously. So we will create this kind of flow and we'll try to share with our organization that will works continuously and give the result accordingly. So here through email we'll get the mail them and we'll get the response and we'll give the output and we'll keep it into Excel sheet, and this will go to the calling and people they will get the results and all. So lead management, sales management, everything is possible with the help of AI. I'm trying to share with you from basics to advanced level here. I'll show you each and everything practical oriented. It not requires zero writing code. You just need to click and you get the result. That's possible. Okay, so our target is what we need to share with the all kind of people, which is not, especially we are focusing on this training low code and no code concept, this concept design and workflow. So nowadays only creativity required, no need to go with the technical or coding and all things. If you are having good knowledge in the Python, no problem, but you have multiple options here. So anybody can do it nowadays. It's not a big deal. One of my student, he's in civil background, he also did the artificial intelligence and he got the opportunities. Why? Because it is not require any programming or coding and all, mathematics and statistics and all, calculus and all. Nowadays this is complete practical oriented stuff. Getting point? Any questions you have, let me know.